I'm Kealey. I'm from off a commercial place, 30 minutes west of Walker.
I'm Kristen Fredericksen from Orange, New South Wales.
I'm Mowbray from Barrington in New South Wales.
I'm Charlotte Nugent and I'm from Tocal, New South Wales, which is just near Walker.
My name's Bamford and I'm from Polbrook, New South Wales.
I think Angus Australia has provided a really awesome opportunity here, not for only beginners but for people that have experience as well. There's a whole range of people here today and they really cater for everyone, and it's just an awesome experience to hear what other people think about cattle and how to better your own herd or judge better. But yeah, it's been really good.
I would strongly encourage other people in the industry and especially the youth within any breed to apply for the Tocal scholarship as an opportunity to gain the industry knowledge that we probably lack in a lot of other areas. There are some tremendous people here who are running the school as well as participating in the school that you can liaise with as well as bounce ideas off, gain insights into people's operations and what they do and where they sit in the industry.
Oh, I think it's been a great program. It's probably something there's a lot of different people here with different backgrounds and different levels of assessing cattle. It really consolidates a lot of what we've been, what a lot of us maybe already have a little bit of an idea on, but just brings that all together and gets everything right so you can meet market specifications.
The Tocal scholarship is, it's not a once in a lifetime opportunity because I think I'd recommend to anyone to come back and do it. But I definitely think that if you're starting out in the industry, if you've been in the industry for 5, 10 years, a lifetime, there's still always something that you can be better at, that you can learn. And I just think that this is an opportunity to do so. Often we get so caught up in what we know, and this really brings us back to basics, makes us look at things from a different perspective, look at things from a different market. We as people, as producers, we aim for our market, but there's actually thousands of different market specs, market classifications that we can be aiming for if we can't meet ours. So it really brings it back to basics, sort of shows you what you can achieve in your herd and just how to achieve that.
I would encourage absolutely everyone, whether you're young, especially in the youth scholarships, but even if you're older, to come and do this school because there is so much to learn, not only from the teachers and assessors, but also from the peers that you are working with. Everyone comes from a diverse background. You never stop learning, so I think if you can come here and gain even something small out of it, or someone like myself who's only been in for a short time, it's just opened my eyes up into where my career can go and also the opportunities and advice I can help people down the track when selecting.